Alright, y'all. It's actually, I don't even know what was the temperature, bro. It's freezing outside right now. It's gotta be like in 30s. I don't even know why I'm out here messing with this car. But it's already been a minute since I gave an update on what I'm like doing as far as the RSX that goes. Where you can see my breath. It's freezing. I just wanted to update y'all. We better actually attempt to. This is the state the car is in right now. I need to drop the bumper and take off my intercooler and figure out how I'm gonna run this cold air. Yes, so right now I'm actually better run the car in a bone stock, this K24, only because I have something bigger and better that's more like, you know what I'm saying, sentimental to me as far as what I'm trying to do as far as my car. It's actually not with this. If y'all not following my IG, I already put a post on there. Like, if you ever want to know what sneak peek I got going on for like car content, be sure to go down in the link in the description below and hit that link to my IG, man, my Instagram. I put it right up here on the screen right now. And yeah, so I got bigger and better plans. As of right now, I'm only at a halt with the RSX. Not to say it's gonna be NA forever. That's not, you know, the plan. And that's one thing I want to get out there too. This car was never something that I was trying to make like a powerhouse. I wasn't trying to make this a street beast or like a full-fledged, just, you know, track car, you know what I'm saying, a fast car. It was never like, I always wanted something a little more than stock. Not stock, but like, you know what I'm saying, than the average, like, you know what I'm saying, NA build. Just a little bit more power. Like, originally was looking for something like in the 300s. It was nothing crazy. When we made 461 with the Craftwork setup, everybody was shocked. Didn't think I was gonna make that much. But yeah. So that being said, right now I'm trying to figure out how I'm about to run this cold air, because as you see, if I can find a little block off or something, a plug for this little flange right here on this piping where my blow-off valve is, will be golden. And I don't know if down here I can fit the filter, like right here where this coupler is. Hopefully I can work something right there and it can work without me having to get all new piping, because little sensor right there, intake sensor, that's already, like, you know, in there too. So it's like I'm trying to make it work with what I have. As far as the piping wise, this was the custom fab piping they did that was running from the supercharger. I could try to use this, but the angle is not gonna, it's not gonna really allow me to, like, you know, as far as the clearance and all that. So that's not gonna work. I might have to get a new filter. I might throw that on for right now for temporary, but that's what I'm trying to do right now. Get this bumper off, take the intercooler off, and
nowadays, nothing really is ice. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the doorman just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If it down in my management, I'm just warming up, wait till I old producers saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things with your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble, cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up. Nowadays nothing really is ice. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. I keep giving game away.
Alright, this is how far we got. Intercooler's off. Piping. I was able to get the filter on the intake pipe that was coming down from the manifold. Better take this blow off valve off. I'm gonna have to find something to plug that up. Cause I'm just trying to use with what I have. You know, I'm not trying to, you know what I'm saying? Piping is piping, yo. But hopefully if I get this back together, hopefully this can sit down there and clear. It might not, but at least I will have an idea of whatever, you know, what I need to go from there. So yeah. So that's how far I got, y'all. I wind up putting the sensor inside of this coupler that was already on here because, where is it at? This piping right here wasn't working, so this is how we have it now. It's not the best, I know, but I feel like it will, you know, get the job done, man. And you know, so now we better just tighten everything up and we should be good. Camera light died, but this is what we got right there. Intake sensor is right there in the middle of the coupler. Use the existing piping that I had running to the intercooler. Use the little another coupler to like snug it in there until because the filter is like, you know, I don't even know what size piping this is. This might be a 2, maybe a 2.5, but yeah, that's where we at right now. Yeah, so that's done out the way. Intercooler, all the piping out, all that's out, and got the bumper back on. You know, is what it is. But one more thing, if y'all don't follow my IG, y'all would have known that I sold my RPF ones. Already ordered something else. Just know, man, the stance and the way this car is gonna look, as far as appearance wise, it's gonna look amazing, bro. Like, the wheels should be here sometime next week. They already been shipped out, so follow my IG, y'all, and like this video if y'all ready to see what I got for the rear on the RSX. Clean, man. But like I said, y'all, that's pretty much it. This was like light video, gave y'all an update what's going on. So yeah, man, stay tuned for what I have planned. My next build that I'm trying to, like, you know, that's all I'm gonna give you. My next build, what's going on. I'm not done with the RSX. It's definitely not done. There's a lot more that I'm about to be ordering and stuff. So just stay tuned. Strive for greatness. You only got one life to live. Live it, but don't give it.
I keep trying, keep trying, no.